Subscribe the channel for tech-related updates and press the bell icon for instant notifications.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be checking out a mouse and keyboard combo from Logitech. My name is Rakesh and you're watching Tech Today. Yes, I'm talking about Logitech's Performance MK850. So this keyboard and mouse combo comes with dual connectivity. It comes with Bluetooth and with a universal connector also. And not only that, you can connect 3 simultaneous devices with this particular keyboard and mouse combo. Yes, if you have a laptop, if you have a tablet and then your mobile phone, you can connect all 3 devices simultaneously. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and start the unboxing of this combination. So this is Logitech's Performance MK850. Let's quickly see the box first. Here on the front we have got the model number and image of the keyboard and mouse. It also says comfortable keyboard and mouse with advanced and multi-device functionalities. So here on the side it shows that it has dual connectivity options, Bluetooth and unified receiver, and we have got the Logitech branding. And towards this side they display what all there in the box. Here again on this side we have got the side view of the keyboard. On the other side again the name and the model number of the keyboard along with the image. On the back side of it, it shows the functionality of this particular keyboard. So it's a quiet type of keyboard. You can continuously type for hours without getting tired. As I said, this particular keyboard can be used with multiple devices simultaneously, and the power it consumes is very minimal. We have got a quick scroll wheel, and if you are using Logitech application, then you can shift a file from one laptop to another laptop just by dragging and dropping it. For that you need to use Logitech's application on both the laptops. And mouse and keyboard should be connected at that time with both the machines. Here on the top left it shows what all operating softwares are compatible with this. So it is compatible with Windows, Mac, Chrome OS and Android. Now let's take it out from this box. And here is our keyboard and mouse. Let's see what all we have got inside this. So this is the cable to extend the USB port. One side of it you can put in your laptop. On the other side you can put the universal receiver. Let's put it aside and take out this keyboard. Here is some instruction manual. The first look of it gives a very premium feeling. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. So this is to select the device. You're connected with 3 different devices at a time, and with which device you want to operate this particular keyboard, you can select by number. On this side, you have the on-off switch. When you see the red, it means it is switched off, and when you see the green, it means it has been switched on. And here on the back side, we can see they have given dual tone. The white tone is looking very good with this black matte finish on the top. Here on the back side center, we have again got the Logitech logo and the model number of the keyboard. I'm not sure whether you can see it. Here we have got 2 height adjusting modes. One is at 4 degrees, another is at 8 degrees. Based on your comfort, you can choose the height adjustments. So we have got these rubber pads so that this keyboard does not slip. And here is the battery cabinet where we put 2 AAA size batteries. And here we have got this universal receiver which you can connect with your laptop where you don't have the Bluetooth connectivity. And let's take out the mouse now. So here is the mouse. It's a bit heavier in size, which will give you a very decent feeling. You can see one button where you will place your thumb, and these are the 3 buttons. You will have to use this button to select the device with which you want to use this particular mouse. This is the scrolling wheel, and this button can be used to use this scrolling wheel in free form or in a clickable mode. The clicks of the mouse is satisfying, and this is the on-off switch. You will have to remove this bottom cover to get to the battery compartment, and here you need to put 1 AA size battery. And you can put your universal receiver here so that if you're not using it, then you don't lose it. The bottom of the mouse is also given in the white color. Once you switch it on,
you will see an LED glowing here. And now you can see numbers are also glowing when I am clicking this particular button. You can see number 3 is blinking. That means it is in the pairing mode now. And let me show you how to connect it with an Android device. When the number 3 is blinking, the mouse is in pairing mode and you will be able to search the model number of the mouse on your device. Here you can see on my Android phone, M720 Triathlon is appearing. We'll have to select this to pair the mouse with the phone. And in a single click, the mouse is paired with the mobile phone. And you can see now the blinking of number 3 has stopped. You can see the cursor of the mouse on the phone now. And with the help of mouse, you can completely control this mobile phone. Isn't it convenient? Now you can browse through any application on your phone with the help of this mouse. Similarly, you can connect this keyboard with your mouse. See, the number 3 is blinking there and we will search for this keyboard on the phone. You can see the model number of keyboard K850 and you have to enter this particular number on your keyboard and press enter. Once you do that, the keyboard will be connected with your mobile phone. And now you can see, using the control tab on the keyboard, I can shift the screens on the phone. And this is how you need to pair any Android device with this keyboard and mouse. You can see I'm using the keyboard to type on the phone. And it has given me the search results. Now I'm using both keyboard and mouse on my Android phone. You can pair any device with this universal receiver and assign it to a particular number, so that you can just click that number and immediately this keyboard or mouse will switch to that particular machine, be it a tablet, Android phone, laptop or any other device. Here we have got some more written material on this box. Let's check it out. So it indicates where are the batteries of the keyboard and mouse and how long will it take to pair with the device. If you're using the universal receiver, it will take 3 seconds, and if you're using Bluetooth connectivity, it normally takes 4 to 5 seconds. Alright, now I will show you how to pair this combo with a Bluetooth enabled laptop. So we will go to this add Bluetooth or other devices on the laptop. Here we need to connect a mouse or keyboard. So we will select this option and I'm selecting this option which is mice keyboard. And here now laptop is trying to search for keyboard and mouse. So to pair this keyboard or mouse with the laptop, you need to press button 1 for 3 seconds to put your keyboard or mouse into pairing mode, and immediately on the screen you can see keyboard K850. We will select this and it will show connecting. Now we need to enter this code on the keyboard and press enter. I've done that and it says device is ready to go and done. Now we will connect the mouse. Again the same process. Go to add Bluetooth or other devices. Select the first option for mouse and press button 1 for 3 seconds. And now you can see the model number of mouse on the screen and we will select that. And this is also connected. Now you can see our mouse and keyboards are connected with this laptop through the Bluetooth mode. You can customize many buttons of your keyboard and mouse if you download the Logitech application. So let's try and do that. And here it says download for Windows. We'll download it. On the left bottom it is getting downloaded and it's done. Let's open it and install this application. We'll just fast forward this moment. Now the application is getting installed on the laptop and I guess it is done. Here you'll have to log in or you'll have to create the account. I'll quickly sign into the Logitech account. And if you want to keep receiving updates on your email, you can say yes or you can say no thanks. Now you can see keyboard and mouse on the screen. So here you'll have to select mouse and keyboard to add it to the application. So here I'm selecting the mouse and now you can customize your buttons. So as of now, if you will press the ring towards left, it will scroll towards left. If you click it towards right, it will scroll towards right. So once you click this option, it will give you multiple options to select from, and you can change the default mode. Here are the side buttons. As of now, by default, it is designed to move forward or move backward, and this is another button which is a gesture button. Again, we can customize it. For example, I'll customize this button for double click. So you can customize the mouse as per your requirement. Let's add the keyboard also. Again, these are the buttons which can be customized. So for example, this keyboard does not have the right click option here. You can define any of these keys for that and see what all options do we get here. See, these are the shortcuts you can define to these keys. Isn't it amazing? For me, yes it is. So as the name suggests, you can definitely get the performance out of this combo system. So this is it for now. If you are interested in buying this combo of keyboard and mouse, I will leave the link in the description box.
So this was it for this particular video. I hope you would have liked this video, and if you really did, I would request you to like and share this video, and if you are the first time on this channel, consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching Tech Today.